Aloha everyone, if you're checking this video out, you're wondering if the YJOY camera is worth the purchase. Let's dive into it. So first of all, the YJOY Nanny Camera is small and discreet. You can pretty much place it anywhere in your room, in your house, near toys, other things, and in places that are actually pretty easy to hide. It has a built-in battery that lasts up to 4 hours, so you can see I'm setting this thing up in different areas throughout the house so that I don't have to be plugged in the entire time. The camera does say that it has 4K HD resolution. From my experience so far, it has not been anywhere near 4K. It does come in clearly. You can see the image, you can see faces, you can see details, but I wouldn't say it's fully 4K HD resolution. Another cool thing is that it does have a night mode, so you can see in the dark, which is very convenient, especially if you're trying to keep an eye on sleeping kids, or you have it set up in an area that you have animals, and you just want to make sure that your home is safe. Audio as well, so you're hearing the actual audio off of this camera, and I put it in a pretty discreet location. The YJOY Nanny Camera can give you that peace of mind to know that your home is safe and secure, even when you're not there. Like I mentioned earlier, it's really easy to use this camera to keep an eye on your kids, your pets, or just to make sure that your home is safe from intruders. And believe it or not, the YJOY Nanny Camera also works really great for collecting memories, because there is a built-in SD card spot right in there. That little spot right there, you can put a micro SD card inside of it. So there's a couple of different ways. One, you can actually save stuff directly to your phone when you click that record button. Two, you can use the micro SD card slot and save memories all onto those files. But like I mentioned earlier, for its price point, this is a fantastic nanny camera. It's discreet, it's very easy to relocate, it has that 4-hour battery life, it has pretty good resolution as you've seen on the video here, and it has night vision. So it works great even in the dark. That's going to be it for me, folks. That is the Nanny Camera by YJOY, and I hope you found this video helpful in your decision making on whether or not to get yourself one of these very affordable YJOY Nanny cameras for your next security purchase. My name is Keli'i with Ohana Reviews, and as always, mahalo and aloha. Chee!